All right, guys, let's go do a review on a place that Joshua Anthony requested, the Whistling Kettle. Let's go. And here we go, you guys, the Whistling Kettle. We're at the Whistling Kettle. Let's go inside. Sweet. Their hours, 7 to 2. All right, guys. Breakfast, omelets, burgers. They used to have a veal cutlet, but I guess not. Ooh, the Monte Cristo. Should we get that? Yeah, let's get that. Should we add some cream? Sure. That's enough. Very nice. Very nice coffee. Monte Cristo. That is so good. Monte Cristo, so good, nice and flavorful, so good. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was the kettle. That was pretty good. Last couple times I went there, I felt like they were losing their touch, but today, no, that Monte Cristo was nice and fresh. It was just, oh man, the bread was nice and a little bit crispy and a little bit, I don't know, soft or whatever at the same time, but it was really good. That turkey and ham in there and that cheese. Oh, perfect combination. And then the home cut fries were really good too. Man, I'm definitely gonna have to, have to go back there one of these days, take my brother. I've been going to that place for since 2009, so 15 years. I used to go there with my dad and my grandpa. They introduced me to that place. But, oh man, the food there is just fantastic. The people there are incredible. They're so friendly. Every time they walk in, they're always, hey, I haven't seen you in a while or something like that. We missed you around here kind of thing. But they always make you feel like home at that place. They, very fast, very, they check up on you as often as they can. They their coffee is really good, but also they got juice, water, soda, milk, chocolate milk, in case you're a kid and want some chocolate milk. But other than that, they had I ordered the Monte Cristo, as you saw, but they have burgers. They have all this stuff that a little diner would have, but they're not expensive either. They're, for what I had, and a coffee, gravy, and everything, $15, $19 or $20 after a tip. But that's really not bad. Oh no! I almost ran over a little prairie dog or whatever. Whew, that would have sucked. Poor little guy. But that Monte Cristo, I'm gonna have to give it a 8.9 out of 10. And then the fries were like a 9.2. The gravy was really good. But all in all, as a whole, the service, the food, the coffee, the price, I'm going to have to give it a 9.1 out of 10, guys. Go check them out. You won't regret it. It's yeah, it's a hell of a place. Go check them out, the Whistling Kettle on 50th Street by the old Movies 12 that used to be there. Well, it's still there, but yeah. Go give it a shot, guys. I think you'll love it. And yeah, it's been a slice.